Hello, welcome to Sparkle and Chill. I couldn't wait. I had to open this, so I thought I would go ahead and cover that. Thought I would go ahead and big huge box here and do it now, and probably finish the video up with something else as well. But I ordered this. Okay, so in my diamond paintings for the last 2 years, I haven't saved drills. I've just sort of tossed them. I'm opening this here. Sort of tossed them after every project. And I kept watching these, you know, since I started kind of looking into what people talk about on YouTube. And pardon the birds, they're in the background. They're actually up there behind me, up on the window. But I figured they'll be pretty quiet while we're just doing this. Or they won't. But this isn't a ASM or anything. So, anyways, but I was thinking, you know, there's times, it's only happened a couple times where I've like not had a drill that I needed because it just ran out. So I thought it would be fun to start kitting down into something that would be able to collect all the colors. I'm not going to go buy colors. You know, that to me I think would be kind of ludicrous because I have so many when I'm done with every kit. But I thought, you know, oftentimes we get the colors that we might need, but I just know how do you save them, and you know, so I use the small little art dot. I think they're art dot. I think they're art dot cases that have the little tubes in them. I have a butterfly one and I have a black one with a purple zipper. And so I was perusing, and I had a credit I had to use on Amazon, and so I thought I would do something a little different, and I ordered this. It's huge. I didn't know it was going to be this big, honestly, but then again, what was I thinking? If I didn't think it was going to be this big, it holds 420 containers. And yeah, and to the person who used to say, why do people do all this? Now look at me. Right? So I got this gigantic one, not for kitting up, but for kitting down. When I am done with projects, I can put all the spare drills into this case, and that way when sorry you can't see this very well, I'm gonna, ta-da, look at that, and there's like two more rows down here. This is crazy. What else? What kind of goodies did it come with? It came with 2 of these. I got one in each of the other ones I got. These are these great little funnels for putting the drills in. Okay. And some stickers. Oh, these ones got messed up a little bit. Oh well. I actually ordered, and they didn't come yet. See the birds in the background. Yeah, so I thought, I don't know, is this a good idea? I thought it was a good idea, because then I would see everybody getting these other containers to just kind of put them in. I thought, if I were to do it, I would want to do it where everything's in one place. I'm not constantly looking at it. And if I wanted to take a small project somewhere, this little thing can actually do that. You can actually put a project in there and take it with you somewhere. So kind of twofold. If I were to decide to take a project with me somewhere, I could, although I'm not sure that I would. I've got another thing for taking things with me, but I just love the idea of, if I'm gonna do it, doing it where I could just have a bottle ready. I bought the labels. I think it's 420 labels, I think, might be more, with all of the DMC codes on them. And that way, each time I kit down a project, I just dump the empty drills into one of these. You can't see it, it was down too low. So, I don't know if any of you all that are into diamond painting have done this. I was watching someone today, and they had little bins that I actually have, some like it. They were refrigerator organizers, and I have a couple extra ones. I thought, oh, that's a good idea for that. And then I'm like, oh, but I ordered that thing. But these, I think, these hold a lot. And so I think this will be a good way to, you know, one, see what are the major colors that are normally in most of the kits that I buy. I like really colorful kits. I like things that are bright and cheerful. I like kind of purples and blues and pinks, and so this was my solution. I also have a few other things that came as well, but I'm not, like, it's late, it's still light outside, but it's getting late, too late really to do a full video. So I'm just going to keep this kind of here until I get ready, but I wanted to open it, but I wanted you to see my actual response when I was opening, because I'm really excited about this. I couldn't remember if I ordered this black one or if I ordered one of the color ones, and apparently I ordered the black with the purple, which I like because it'll match my other one that I have. And I think that these are really practical for what I'm looking to do. Like I said, I'm not ordering a set of all the colors, but I do like the idea of having something ready and labeled for when I unkit a project and see what I end up with. And I have one project that is labeled with the actual DMC codes that I got from, I believe it was, it's DD. Is it Diamond Dots? I think it is Diamond Dots. The butterfly rainbow one that I did, that's on my cover to my YouTube channel. I do still have those diamonds in their containers that I kitted out of, because it came with stickers and everything, and that was the first time I got one that had stickers. I normally do the Amazon, you know, projects, just because financially those other ones are just a bit much. But I have since ordered, and will eventually be showing some of the other ones that I've been ordering, a few here and there that I'm not ready to unbox yet. They're still in the, I did open to make sure it had what I had ordered in it, but I didn't actually look at anything. I didn't open any boxes or anything. And some of them I haven't opened at all because it said what they were, so I know that I got what I ordered. At least I hope so, because I'm sure it'll be more than 30 days before I go through them. So, anyhow, I need to stop saying it drives me crazy. When I was a kid, every time we said it, my mom would say, quit saying that, and here I am still doing it. And anyways, I'm going to be doing a kit down for my Sophie video, and I think all the DMC codes are on the side of the thing, so I'll know which DMC codes they are. I believe they all go by DMC codes. I hope so, because this is my hope, is that I'll be able to do it that way, that they'll just be in there like that. So thanks for watching. I know it's just a quick video, but I thought Has anybody else done this? Comment below if you have. Has it worked for you? Is it a good way to do that? I mean, if it doesn't end up working for that, I can use it for, you know, doing one of those gigantic kits, you know, which could possibly happen at some point. I don't see it as a likely candidate for that anytime in the very near future, just because those big, huge ones kind of overwhelming for me. But I don't know if you guys saw the birds fly through or not. I hope it got on the film. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 in the cage, and looks like, oh, all 5 are in the cage, which is good because it's bedtime, and so it's time for birdies to go to bed. They're eating, so anyways, what did I do with my, that's what fell. Bye.